Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back to another video. My name is Javi. I hope all of you guys are having a very beautiful day today. May your day be filled with laughter, love, peace, and just an overall sense of clarity. In this video, I actually just wanted to talk about purpose. What is your purpose? What is my purpose? And how do we discover our purpose? And once you discover your purpose, how do you align to your purpose? Well, first of all, I always speak and I always say you have to be present. That is the most fundamental foundation of your true self. When you are present and you're not in the mind, you actually start to listen to your intuition. You start to listen to your heart. You're not just on this like mental, I am in the need of surviving and in the need of success. So you're playing out your life only through the mental faculties of your life. So most people in this world are living just in their mind, playing out their thoughts of what they think in their mind is going to be best for their success, best for their happiness, best for their so they're not in a constant need of uh money and surviving and all these things. So the point is that they're consulting with the mind for all these things rather than just observing, being present, and letting your heart guide you. Letting your heart guide you and your intuition guide you to the same things, that how you're going to survive, to the same things of what's going to make you feel successful, to the same thing that's going to make you feel senses of achievement, but not done from the mind, done from your true self, from your heart, where you are clear. And when you are clear, you begin to listen. Once you begin to listen and you are pure awareness, you immediately are gravitating, you're immediately impulsed, you're immediately kind of pushed. The universe will push you. Everything is energy moving. Those are emotions, energy in motion. So you will feel a sense of emotion of, I need to go run, I need to go eat this food, without you having to think, oh, what do I need to do? No, you just naturally, your gut feeling will tell you where to go, where to be, who to talk to, how to talk to. So what ends up happening is that you start to listen to your intuition, and then throughout, a day or two or a week, everything starts to become really clear, and you go into a state of synchronicity, a state of consistent flow. You're in the natural flow of life. And when you're in the natural flow of life, you feel the things that you should be doing. And those things are usually the things that make you bright up, that just make you just bring the biggest smile to yourself. And they're always revolving around service or helping people or creating something that's going to serve people or something that's going to serve the planet. It's always based on service, because the best feelings are love, are the feelings of gift, the feelings of what you have, you can give. What you don't have inside of you, you cannot give. So it even goes within, the lines of, if you want to give someone love, you can't give someone love unless you don't have love. But that's something else. I don't want to go into a side thing with that. So back to the purpose thing. You will naturally begin to feel love and a sense of joy when you do certain things. Those are signals. Those are confirmations that those are the things you should be doing. That's your purpose. When you feel like, for me, when I make these videos, I feel like it's my purpose to just say these things, because it's gonna be an expression of my heart, and it's going to create a spark in you for you to start to do the same thing. And we raise the vibration of the world and consciousness of the world. And that's our purpose, you know? I can say that's our purpose, to awaken and raise the vibrations of us collectively. That's the greater picture, for us to remember that we are divine, angelic beings, you know, that we forgot because, you know, we're in this physical reality. I could say that's our general big picture purpose, but then you have a specific purpose that you're going to gravitate to and align to. So how do you, now once you know what your purpose is, that you can actually like serve yourself and serve others while at the same time being able to survive. And I don't mean making money. You don't necessarily have to make money to survive. There's plenty of people in this world that if you help them, they will help you. I work a lot like that, where it's like, you know, that's what I do. It's like I do fitness training and, you know, health, you know, kind of related stuff. So I offer sometimes sessions for free, you know, and sometimes people that just can't afford anything, I'm like, dude, as long as you are committed to yourself and as long as you're not going to take my time for granted and really, really grow for yourself, then I'm willing to give up my time, because it's all the same. I'm helping myself. We are one. We are all just spiritual energy in different bodies. We're all the same. So I'm talking to myself actually when I make these videos. But so that's how I do it. And then there's obviously people that are, in the finances better off, and they contribute in a, more, bigger way, and it all balances out. And a lot of the time, I won't even, it doesn't have to be monetary. It could just be like, hey, like, I need a tire for my car, and someone that, I, did a session with will be like, oh, you know what? My cousin has a tire shop, and it just, the universe works and you have to trust it. So you align to your purpose. Now, once you align to your purpose, you naturally just, there's no way for you to truly align to it, because you are already aligned to it. So observe that, know that you are always aligned to your purpose. It's just how much have we been distracted? How much time have we been wasting on our habits? How much time have we been wasting on our, programs and conditions? Because if you go back to square one, like what I've mentioned, go back to the foundation of who we are, your true self, pure conscience, spiritual bliss and love, just awareness, you will see that everything's okay, and you will naturally start to work and move and play in a way that feels very, very, very profound, and that you're actually creating abundance through those moments. So you're in it's all about the experience, the moment. It's not about the destination. So it's always about you here right now, the journey, and when you're here right now in this experience, you can truly awaken to your clarity, which is going to eventually help you see what your purpose is. And then you're just going to naturally gravitate to it. You're going to naturally align to it. It's not going to be something that like, oh, how do I go find it? How do I go apply for it? How do I go? No, it's already here. It's already right now. It's just hard to see it when the mind's trying to be like, wait, how do I see it, when the mind's the one's trying to see it, but the mind can't ever see it. It's never going to see it. We think of intelligence, and we think of, coherence, and we think of being awake as being just mentally alert, like in our minds, like mentally alert. But it's beyond that. We're talking about spiritually alert. We're talking about more than just our senses. We're talking about everything that is infinite. It's like, that's why people say, when people say it's like people need to wake up, it's beyond anything that you've ever imagined within your mind, because it's beyond the mind. So observe that. So hopefully this is very helpful to you. I love you guys. Sending all kinds of good vibrations, love, peace. Let's create some high energy, good vibrations. And, heaven on earth is here already. It's within you. It's within me. So, there's no need and reason to be suffering anymore. All that stuff that's going on out there with politics and this and this and this and this and that. See, that's all mental stuff. It's all distracting you from the mental construct of how you see reality. But if you were to just see it true from your heart, you would see that that was just all a waste of time. And true change is only going to happen for you within your heart, on how you see life, how you changed, how you're seeing all your life in this moment. That's the only change that's ever going to happen. It's never, ever going to happen outside of you by other people doing it, because we've all heard it. If you want to see the change in the world, you have to be the change. And even if the world changes, there's still going to be a problem for every solution for the person that hasn't changed. So that's enough said with that. I love you guys. Blessings. Peace be within you. Om Namaste Amitabha.